Here's problem 1 from the 2024 AMC 8. What is the ones digit of 222,222 minus 22,222 minus 2,222 minus 222 minus 22 minus 2? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's just subtract, one step at a time. From left to right. First, 222,222 minus 22,222 equals 200,000. Then 200,000 minus 2,222 is 197,778. Minus 222 gives 197,556. Minus 22 gives 197,534. And finally minus 2 gives 197,532. The final result is 197,532, and its ones digit, the very last digit, is 2. Here's a quick shortcut. Only the ones digits matter for the ones digit of the answer. That's 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Which is 2 minus 10. After borrowing, that ends in a 2. Same answer. So the ones digit is 2, which is choice B.